The purpose of our experiment is to show 3 demonstrations of chemical reactions, one including water, vinegar, and bleach, another containing just water and bleach, the last including just water and vinegar, speeding up the rusting process. Rust is a series of red oxides that form from the reaction of iron with the presence of oxygen and water. The rusting process is electrochemical, meaning it forms from a chemical reaction which takes place in a solution where there is an electron transfer between the electrode and electrolyte or species in solution. In the case of rusting, the transfer of electrons from iron to oxygen begins in the electrochemical process. Electrolytes accelerate the corrosion process when combined with water, similar to the rusting that occurs on vehicles due to road salt and winter conditions.
Now time for our materials. We use 3 medium-sized jars, 3 steel wool pads, water, vinegar, bleach, and a measuring cup. This is a picture of all of our materials together.
Our independent variable are the solutions that we change, our controlled variable is the water, and our dependent variable is the rate of rust.
First, put the steel wool pads into the jars. All of the contents are labeled on the jars. Then fill the jars with water so that the pads are completely submerged. The pads are completely submerged.
In one jar, we added 2 tablespoons of vinegar and 2 tablespoons of bleach. In another jar, we added 2 tablespoons of vinegar. And in the last jar, we added 2 tablespoons of bleach.
This is right after we filled the contents into the jars. As you can see, the jar with bleach and vinegar is already starting to rust under the steel wool pad. This is after 5 minutes. The jar with bleach and vinegar constantly increased with rust over time.
This is an hour after we began our experiment.
This picture was taken 2 hours after the start of our experiment. As you can see, the mixture with water, bleach, and vinegar turned a reddish rust color, and the jar with just water and bleach turned a yellow color.
We believe the mixture with bleach and vinegar worked because research informed us that this reaction would happen when these chemicals are combined.
This diagram shows how fast the solution with vinegar, bleach, and water rusted. The time listed is every 10 minutes. In the time recorded, the solution gradually increased. This next diagram shows the rust process of bleach and water. The water first turned yellow, but nothing continued to happen. This last diagram shows what happens in the solution with vinegar and water. As you can see, nothing happened.